Well, Kendall decided he wanted to put a bed on the hottest day of the year. So here we are. Putting junk on junk. Replacing junk with junk, more than likely. Missing the bolts up here. I found something in there. It's hard. Take this off. You're gonna have to pull that off. Alright. I'm gonna take that bolt out. And there's one more over there. I think it needs to be loosened up. Alright, go up top. Or no, I'm sorry. Go over there where all the tools and stuff is and hand me the pliers. It's so hot. These rocks are burning me every time I touch something. There you go. All right. Go up there, Kendall, and run this side of the harness down inside the lens. You might have end up having taken the bulbs out of it. I don't know. Just go and take the bulbs out of it so they don't break. Let me know when you're ready to push them. That's done. All right, let's do the other side real quick, and then we'll be ready to take the bolts out of it. Come on. Now I need a, bring me that bucket I got you to bring me earlier. Close the lid up on it and just bring it down here to me. You're going to crawl up under here with me. Figure out what size it is over there. What size it is. Is it still not doing it? Oh my God. It's not big enough. Nothing currently holding that bed on. Probably should have left 2 bolts in it, but we're not going far, so just drop it off and bring it back. Well, we got the bed off of it. Fixing to go on with the red one, and it'll all be one color except for the bed, or not the bed, the cab. Well, unfortunately, when we was going down the road, our harness here come off the place we had it tied at and started smacking the concrete, and it broke one of the connectors. But that bed had the harness in it, so we just chopped that connector off of it, and we're going to rewire it up to the old harness, maybe, if I can do it right anyway. Cut. This is entirely too hot. It's disrespectful out here. I swear I won't. Now where in the world did my heat shrink go? Don't ask why I'm wet, but unfortunately, I couldn't find my heat shrink, so we're just gonna have to temporarily do this for now. It'll work.
What he's saying is it's hotter than Crusade in the crack house out here.
Yeah, it's very hot. Put the camera on, Kendall. Look, that's how hot it is, people. Don't come to Alabama. Just don't do it. Yeah, you can make your jokes about the whole cousin deal and whatnot. Whatever.
It may be true.
I don't really care. I mean, it may be true, but that's not why you're here, and me and you both know that, so it doesn't really matter where I'm from. The only thing that matters is me doing this right, and unfortunately, I don't have the material to do it right, so we're just gonna do it the best way we can. Quickly. right, get your other tag. Let's go and put it on real quick, because we're gonna have to have this. These damn bolt holes ain't lined up. We'll fix that. Take these out.
Are we using those ones?
Yeah, we have to.
Don't move the truck.
Right here.
Alright, we're ready to line up other bolts. This ain't all the way tight yet.
There you go. 2 more right here. Remember, you gotta put 1 more right there. I think.
It goes back first.
Oh, in the back. Yeah.
Pull it.
Huh?
Pull it back. Just a notch. Oh. Alright. Hand me my ratchet.
I'm going to have to ratchet these in.
There you go.
Shit. What? Bleep that out. You gotta stay PG. Spray my face off. I'm sure I got dirt all over.
Ready? Close your eyes.
Alright. Oh, that's hot. Kendall, bring that hose over here and spray off this gravel. Here, cut it on a different set. Oh my, oh dude, I don't think I've ever experienced it being this hot. This is crazy.
Ow!
Right over here. Where I'm gonna be laying. Let me see. All up in there. Spray it. I don't care how dirty I get. It's too hot to be caring about stuff like that. Alright, that's good.
And give it a little more because it takes a minute for them rocks to cool off the water. I mean,
It's okay. Kendall, quit cussing!
she's still recording.
Yes.
I don't know.
You still cussing.
Oh, darn.
Uh-oh. Rut-row, Raggy. Rut-rows. Let me try this. Give me the impact. Hang on. We're having technical difficulties here. I'm running up in here. Alright, now hand me the impact. Wait. Alright. There goes nothing. Don't be cross-threaded. Alright, Kendall, go on the other side and tighten them two up. The last one should go right in. Which one? Oh, over there. Okay, never mind. I'll have to run this down manually. Somebody hose me off. Make sure you move my impact. That's good. spray my face down again. Got stuff in my eyes. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hang on. Bring it here. To my hands. There you go. All right, nothing safe. All right. God, man, it's so hot. All right. Mix match reds. This concludes another episode of Claybo's Customs. Unsubscribe, unlike, because it ain't worth it.